Kev, it's going dark.
I know. Yeah, come on, hurry up.
This is our commitment to everybody out there.
Nearly time to go home. You'll have to get me one of them lights on my head, and then we'll be alright.
You look like a little minion then, wouldn't you?
Yeah. No, don't you remember Torchy the battery boy?
No.
No.
That's a long time ago, isn't it?
1950s.
Here's something different.
Yeah.
I'm going to show you something different here, everybody. Different layout where you'll go,
Twice today we've done that.
And that's what you'll do. It's an Autotrail 600D. It's a 3-berth, 2 belted seats. So we might as well call it a 2-berth, haven't we, really? Yeah. It's under 6 metres. It's a 2011. I've got all the lights on for you.
Yeah.
So look at that. Can you show people inside?
No, you see the lights?
Yeah. It's like little Blackpool illuminations in there. So, quick tour. I'll tell you what. We'll go that way this time.
Right.
LPG gas lockers.
We're going anti-clockwise, aren't we?
Yeah, anti-clockwise. So, enough for 2 bottles in there, Kev?
Yep. 2 6 kgs.
Bike rack.
Right.
Reversing camera.
Reversing camera.
Cassette toilet.
Cassette toilet.
Big fridge, little fridge.
Little fridge.
Little fridge. Hookah up. And then we've got a bit of storage underneath there, but I'm not going to show you.
What?
I don't know.
It's a secret.
Could be. Just noticing there's the waste down there. Get your yourself round the other side and let's have a look inside the cab.
It's 100 multi-jet.
So, on the Feed Ducato, just a quickie on the old Statirunis. 23,000 miles this one's done. 100 multi-jet, did you say?
Yeah.
2.2 litre. Is that chain or is that cam belt?
Chain.
Correcto.
It's actually a Ford Transit engine.
No, it's a Fiat.
I know, but it's a Ford Transit engine.
It's a Fiat.
Still Ford Transit engine.
It's a Fiat.
Ford Transit engine.
Fiat.
Ford
Fiat.
Transit engine. Ford
Fiat.
Transit.
Fiat.
Ford.
Fiat.
It is actually the same engine as Ford Transit.
It's Fiat.
100 brake horsepower, 2.2.
It's 5-speed, 3,300 kilograms. What's the payload is?
450.
620. That's a good payload, isn't it?
Yeah.
Really good payload.
Well, it's not a very heavy van though, is it? So.
Just under 6 metres. Good service history on this. It's got solar on it as well, Kev. 180 watt solar.
That's big solar.
So, pretty standard cab. Good thing we've got the steering wheel. We've got the. There you go. Got the blinds.
Remy blinds, yeah.
Nearly broke it.
Don't break it.
Oh.
I remember when you broke one of them once.
How much
did it cost you?
I did, 300 odd quid, wasn't it? Yeah. I broke this part here, didn't I?
Yeah.
I had to buy a lot.
Yeah.
Ooh, that was painful. Reversing camera. We do have blinds on the door, passenger and driver.
Yep.
Now it's not electric mirrors, but we've got electric windows. Oh, we've got cruise control as well.
Control.
Lights, 5-speed gearbox, no aircon.
No aircon, no.
I've just said that, you're like a parrot.
No, it was an Echo.
A what?
Echo.
What? It's getting too late today, Kevin.
I know, yeah.
It's getting too late.
Dark. I want to go home.
Oh, there's a song somewhere there, isn't there? CD radio, and then we've got a couple of lighters. Side sticker 19 to 20. Do you want that?
No, I don't. No.
You don't want it?
No.
Okay. So that's pretty much cab.
Nice LED light up there, just.
Right. So I'll get myself out. I'll meet you clockwise.
Clockwise.
Yeah, just clockwise around the van.
Saves me having to walk around.
And we'll go in. Right. What's your overall opinion on the outside? It's a nice looking thing, isn't it?
Doesn't it? Yeah. Compact, isn't it?
Yeah, that's why it's under 6 metres.
Compact.
Yeah.
Recessed awning. Got the Omni store awning.
Yeah, awning light. Good solid hinges.
Yeah.
So, window.
I like the idea of the slidey window there, so it doesn't affect it when the doors open.
Good point. That's a good.
Because a lot of them have an opening window there, which
yeah, good point. I like that, Kevin.
Yep.
You're starting to see little different things now. It took a while.
I can see the light as well.
Right. I think just pan around and show everybody this van.
Different.
Different.
We've got a little dinette there. Look.
Little dinette, as he says,
That'd
on
be
the
big,
table.
that, wouldn't it?
That's going to make up the bed.
Yeah.
Yeah. We have, believe it or not, a separate shower and toilet.
It's an Autotrail, Jason. Oh, let's see, they've got the wash basin and the shower.
Nice, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, really nice, yeah.
Nice little washroom though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, again, we're getting wardrobes. Look at the size of that aerial. My God. You'll get Australian TV with that, wouldn't you?
You'd get in touch with the space station with that.
So,
Plenty of drawers there.
look at the drawers, yeah. I'll tell you what, you know. 3, 4. And again, you got your cupboards above.
Yeah.
They packed this in really well.
I like that little dinette.
I
really.
love this little dinette, to be honest. I
The
really
thing-
do.
The thing is, you could leave that bed made up.
What have we got here, Kev?
Seat belt. That's your third belt.
That's your third belt. Did we say 2 belts before? I thought we might have.
We might have done.
We might have done. So you got the stat sheet wrong, Kev. So third
I
belt.
didn't do the stat sheet. Finn does the stat sheet.
No, you always get the blame for everything, don't forget.
Ah, true.
Fly screens, blinds, and then what have we got here? We've got my favourite. I prefer these, you know.
Clicky clackies.
Click clacks. Oh, there you go. I do like these
I
type
do. And
ones.
the recessed windows as well instead of the sticky out windows.
Yeah. You're not going to get a big kitchen, are you, really? Let's be honest. Well, that's probably sometimes just
A
the
bit like
same
it-
size as an A-class. Nice corner sink
Yeah.
there. And then hobs,
Three burner
three-burner hob. We're getting a grill, we're getting a oven, and then we're getting the 3-way fridge. For everybody that asks about a 3-way fridge, 3-way fridge is that you can use on the gas, the electric, and the leisure battery for when we're driving, hence known a 3-way fridge. Getting some nice LEDs, little skylight above, and then moving over to here,
I like the separate level as well.
we're
on
getting the
floor.
dinette, and then, ooh, I've hit my leg, Kev.
I know, he fell out of the van, you
Oh,
saw.
I did fall out of a van, didn't
He didn't
I?
fall out with the van, he fell out of the van.
I did.
You got that bit there as well, Jason.
Just hang on a minute, I'm in agony, Kev. You don't realise, people just don't realise the agony I'm in just to deliver content.
You cut your finger as well, do you remember?
Oh, I've cut my finger as well today as well. Doing an handover.
And he's so brave he didn't put plaster on it.
I didn't cry either.
No.
As well.
He will do when nobody's looking.
So, oh, I'm having a fight with this, Kev.
It's the end of the day, Jason.
Oh, it is. Now, I'm assuming that's gonna come out
Do you
there.
want me to help you, Jason? Yeah.
Oh, thanks.
And that goes up there like that.
Yeah.
And then that makes a bed extension.
Well, put it in there. It's supposed to be helping me, not hindering me. Hang on a minute. What are we missing?
One of the cushions will be hard backed.
Any more cushions knocking about?
Is there any underneath that?
Oh,
Under there. What have we got under there?
what's that there? Is there any cushions about? I wonder if they're underneath there. Anyway, one will be all backed anyway, won't it, to go across? So,
There's one of these in the back. So yeah, it makes a double. So you've got a double bed there, you've got a
it's
single.
not a big double.
No.
It's not a big double at all.
It's a good sized single, this one here.
But hang on, we're over here, Kev.
It'll be quite cosy, actually.
So yeah, we've got a nice area there, haven't we?
Yeah,
I need a table. I need a table. Hang on. Have we got a table? Freestanding table.
Yeah.
I was looking a bit lost over here without the table. Again, good storage all the way across, Kev. Good storage.
I think if there was just the two of you wouldn't use that table there. You'd tend to eat here in this little dinette, wouldn't you?
Do you know what? Yeah, you've got the skylight above as well. And then, again, storage underneath this one. And then let's have a look. We've got leisure battery there. Storage. What have we got here? Got some ramps in and everything. It's bugging me now, that cushion.
The hard back cushion.
Yeah. So let's just have a look on this one. So this, so what's going to happen is this drops down the table.
Yep.
And then that'll make the bed up.
That's right, yeah.
So And I have a feeling, you know, this isn't 2 belted seats. This has been put in, this is aftermarket. Like, now come around here, bring the camera around. Like, so it's been bolted in and these have been put in.
Yeah.
So next seatbelt put on.
Could that be sold as a 3 belted vehicle?
Well, there's nothing wrong with it, it's anchored in properly. They've done the job right, haven't they?
Yes, it has been done right, yeah.
Yeah, look, see, you just noticed there, all anchored in properly.
Down to the chassis.
Right the way down. So, yeah, that's been put in extra, Kev. I'm gonna go for that. Let's have a look what we've got under here. Now, if you just look down there, you've got the water pump. That's a good place to put it, isn't it? Nice, easy to work with.
Perfect. Yeah, nice access. Once that table.
Obviously, you're going to move the table, aren't you?
I like that shower, you know?
Do you know what?
For a small van, that's...
I'm liking this van, you know. What a nice little compact van just for the two of you.
Yeah.
Don't you think?
And it's the next one up from a camper van, but it's like a TARDIS, isn't it?
It's an overgrown camper.
Yeah.
That's what it is. That's a great shower area. I don't want to go in on there. That's a great size shower area there. And then I see you've got this here as well. And again, you can make that up as a bed. And then we've got the dinette. Or you could make this up as your bed.
And leave it made up.
And leave it made up and be sitting over there.
Because you've got your kitchen area here.
Yeah. So you could have this just all made up all the time. Do you know what? This is a really nice little van, isn't it?
Yeah, I like it.
And if you think about it, what are you doing?
I'm putting you under the spotlight.
Oh, I hate that bit. Do you know what? See, they've got the TV bracket there for going around there,
yeah.
And also for there. But I'm thinking possibly a child might have been in this. Well, child,
yeah.
With having that one there, but. It's got, do you know what, for 6 metre, it doesn't feel like a 6 metre inside, does it?
No, we had the old CIs that used to have a little dinette at the back.
Yeah, the CIs, was it the karaoke's?
Yeah.
They used to. But
they were a lot longer, with a much longer van.
Yeah. This has got so much potential, you know. The more time I'm spending in it now, the more I'm liking it. And it just proves, I think, you don't need to have a big van.
No. No.
To give you all the space, because you just sat down there over there now, and like you say, you're far away, and this is a great small van. This is.
Yeah.
This is actually, like I say, we popped her head in earlier on. Didn't really appreciate it. We've just come in. I'm just having a look at the heating system up
is
here.
It I'm sure Eberspecs are in these, aren't they? I think they are.
We've got the hot water.
The Excel.
Yeah, Webasto.
Webasto.
So
That's
Webasto system.
Yeah.
So. That's going to work off the diesel, isn't it?
I remember we had problems with one, and I took it to be repaired. The Webasto. And it was only the Autotrail Excel, I think, that has the Webasto.
Oh, okay. Seats do swivel, both seats, and again, we're actually the van's just getting better and better because look again, look how much more we're making.
Big lounge area, that.
Yeah.
I mean, I took the camera up there.
Well, you're miles away, Kev.
Yeah.
For a 6 metre. So, this is probably. Do you know what? This is probably one of the most versatile, nicest compact vans that I've been into. Which I'm liking this van. I really do like this van. You know, and you don't need a big kitchen. You're getting everything there. You're getting everything you need. The shower area is blowing me away as well.
Yeah.
As well. Storage, they're giving you loads of storage.
Yeah.
You're getting loads of storage. Let's see what we've got on this. We said there's a solar on above, didn't we? Water capacity, fresh water.
120.
Nah, 85.
Yeah.
Wastewater. I don't know if he's got this one right.
No,
Today?
80.
55.
That could be, yeah.
So, gone over everything really. Cassette toilets, fly screens, blinds, mixer tap, separate shower, swivel seats. Yeah, water heater is diesel Webasto,
yeah,
which is on the stat sheet there. I like this van. I'm impressed.
Yeah.
What's your thoughts?
Nice, compact, usable van. Absolutely brilliant for a couple, but a couple with a child would do as well.
Yeah. Wouldn't it just?
A couple with one child.
Do you know what? It's a van that gives you so many options.
Yeah.
It really, really does. It's just...
Even if you're away in bad weather with 2 adults and a child, you're not cramped. You're not...
No, not at all.
No.
Not at all. And like I say, bringing the swivel seats into play as well. Just, yeah. I'm blown over this. I really, really do like this van. I don't know what you're thinking at home there. Let us know in the comments what you think. But the more I'm spending in it now, I just can't get over how much different options and variety it can give you, from sleeping over there to sitting here to sleeping here to sitting over there. Again, the washroom. I can keep going on and on and on. And the
I think we've had an XL once before, but I can't remember it being like this.
The XL before had bunk beds.
That was it.
Right where you were.
Yeah.
They had the bunk beds.
Yeah, it didn't have this little dinette.
That dinette's brilliant. It just makes so much more use of the van, you know. Really am. 2010, 2011, wasn't it? We're about 30k, aren't we, looking at this?
Yeah, I'd say so.
So, but I'd buy this van.
Yeah.
I'd buy this van to go in. I really would. And like I say, you've not got the long van to having to worry about.
Park it in a supermarket car park, that easy.
Do you know what? This you're getting a camper van, but it's a motorhome.
Yeah.
And you take a typical camper van, Kev. You're limited, aren't you? Because obviously because of size and everything else. And I'm just blown by this. I really, really do like this van.
We've had the new Ventures and all that, which are, but no, this has got a lot more room in than the new Ventures and all that.
Yeah.
Because the new Ventures are a small motorhome, but you don't have the facilities you've got in this.
You're not getting the hot water, the gas, the electric. You're not getting anything compared to
big
what
shower.
you're getting in this van.
New
This
Ventures
is a great van, you know.
Yeah.
I don't know if they still carry on making them. I'm not sure if they do. But this really, really, this is probably a very underrated van, you know.
Yeah.
Really, really is.
I think the new van now is it the Explorer, the new one? The entry level Explorer.
Let us know in the comments. But this is really good. We're gonna have to wrap this up because obviously I'm starting to get a little bit like a record.
You're waffling now.
I am waffling because I'm dead impressed. And we say when we're impressed, Kev.
We do, yeah.
We say when we're impressed, and we don't get impressed that much.
And if we don't like it, we tell you we don't like it.
The last van that impressed me more than anything was the Berthner, which was on a different level to what this van was. But this really is, I can't say more than anything, is I wouldn't be spending 50, 60 grand on a smaller van when you've got something like this. Really, really. Anyway, I'm going to waffle on. I can't keep doing it. Yeah. So hit the subscribe button, like us, whatever. And that's it, Kevin.
I think that's about it. It's getting darker.
It isn't it? Yeah. I like this van. This is a great
van,
mate.
You keep telling me you like it.
Yeah, no, I don't like it though. You don't. What? No. I am. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. You're getting a bit tearful now, aren't you?
I like the van. I like the van. I do like the van. Okay, let's go.
I think Jason likes the van.
I do. I keep telling you.
He likes it.